In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect maps to Dodge Charger. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use maps on your Dodge Charger. Regardless of which device you have, either iOS or Android, you will be able to establish this connection and use them together. The primary way of doing this is going to be by connecting your smartphone to your Dodge Charger over Bluetooth. So if you go over to the phone option on your Dodge Charger, you will see this message: no phone connected. Do you want to pair a phone? Of course, if you have already paired your phone, then you can skip ahead. But if you have never used these functions, immediately upon tapping on phone, you will be given the option and you just have to tap yes. Keep in mind that this menu might look slightly different depending on the model year of your Dodge Charger, but when you go over to phone and you choose yes, you will be able to connect it over Bluetooth. You can also try connecting it using a cable, so you plug one end of the USB cable into your smartphone and the other one. You can also try establishing this connection over a cable, so you plug one end of the cable into the phone and another one into the Dodge Charger, but I believe most people will be satisfied using Bluetooth. So go settings, Bluetooth, make sure that it is enabled, and the Dodge Charger should have created a Bluetooth network that you can connect into. So the vehicle will have a specific name like Uconnect, and then you can tap on it under other devices. Once the connection has been established, the screen on your Dodge Charger will update and it's going to give you this message: Bluetooth pairing successful. The device supports phone and audio. Tap OK, and now you can go into the phone category once more to see additional options. In here, tap on the option at the bottom right regarding pairing and you will access these settings. Now, under phone/Bluetooth, you will be able to find Projection Manager. If it is enabled, then as soon as you connect your phone with a cable, you will be able to find Maps. And now you can access Maps or use any other sort of application like Waze and whatever you prefer. And this is also going to work for Android, of course. The process is generally the same. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Maps to Dodge Charger. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.